Hello everyone, it's Dylla from Homesthetics, and in today's video, we're going to paint lotuses using Saunders Waterford paper and Holbein watercolors in Magenta, Horizon Blue, and Caldium Green Deep. Firstly, let's sketch the lotuses and the leaves. I have drawn 2 lotuses here, but feel free to draw as many as you wish, ensuring that they fit well with the composition of the water and leaves. Once the sketches are complete, we can move on to the coloring process. My favorite technique for the background is the wet on wet technique. Remember to add color and brush it, creating a dimensional depth. For the second step, we can start painting the lotuses using magenta color. As it is highly pigmented, make sure to add more water to create light and pigmented sides of the flowers. For the leaves, I use a combination of Caldium Green Deep and Leaf Green, starting with the light color and gradually adding more color towards the edge. In the next step, we can add more details to the lotus's petals and create more shadow and details in the center of the leaves. moving on to the water, we can add a few reflections and shadows to add more depth to the painting. Finally, we can add the finishing touches to the lotuses. Voila! The painting of the lotuses is complete. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment below suggesting what you would like to paint next. Thank you and see you soon!